of course. I think it's recording already, but yeah.
Yeah, that's the auto recording. So we're recording this
Ah,
mentoring between Zach and me, and he was discussing how he realized na the tangible. Tell us about the prior, hindi pa masyadong tangible, and then
so before when I didn't know about offer creation, a coaching service is very intangible, no. So I couldn't get my clients to say yes to the service, especially if I would have, prices that are higher than the normal
uh,
coaching rates. I would assume if I priced myself at 3,000 per session to 5,000 per session, it would be okay. Yeah, it's a no brainer, no, for people. However, when I'm doing prices higher than that, 7,000, 10,000, 15,000 per session, in essence, there
uh,
needs to be something tangible for the client, no. So I learned how to craft an offer and to center my coaching offer around three pillars. Yun yung sinasabi ng mentor ko sa offer creation and online business. Have three pillars of your offer. So the three pillars for me are clarity, unblocking, and identity shifting. So at least alam nila, okay, so in our sessions, they will find clarity on their goals, on what's blocking them and all. We will do an unblocking process through NLP, and then they will be shifting their identity into the new version of themselves. So mas tangible 'yon. And
yeah,
it
kaya ng
so
hawakan.
kaya
Oh,
ng hawakan. So ngayon, I'm seeing a lot more positive results, no, whereas before people weren't that excited about it. Ngayon, it's just a budgeting issue for those that I did trial coaching with, na parang I really want this, I just need to save up for it. So narealize ko, ay galing, parang nagiging aspirational product or service yung pwede
right.
kong i-offer to clients, just like for example, a Rolex, or those expensive things na it's an aspirational thing to buy. I can position my services that way pala to clients. So yun, just had a lot of clarity on offer creation,
Yes.
and just, rolling it out. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Interesting how you describe it as an aspirational, like as if it were a Rolex. There's something sometimes I get parang what's the word? I get pulled into directions. One is I'd love to siguro it's a let me just say it. And the two directions are, ang default ko kasi is confidentiality, which means I don't tell people that Mr. X is my client.
Mm,
I'd love to work on more is to for him to tell his circle that I'm his coach.
yeah.
And yun, and that takes working on, that takes building the brand so much. Like for example, kung si Tony Robbins, nagpa-coach ako kay Tony Robbins, syempre ano yun, that's bragging rights din yun that I was
Yes.
Tony Robbins, di ba? I kailangan pag-iisipan, kailangan pag-aralan how I could package my services so much that it's them who tells their friends about it. There's some of that happening already. I have a very
Mm-hmm.
friend and client who's been telling his barkada about the services he availed. Yun yung naisip ko habang kinukwento mo yun. And yeah, one more thing. Yung I'll save up for it. I
Mm,
had a mindset shift recently. And I'll be very transparent about how things work.
sure.
Um, siguro it's siguro it's sige, I'll shift the discussion. It's similar to this discussion between me and Don Soriano. I remember Don, right?
Oh yeah, Don Soriano.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'm discussing with him about school. I'm inviting him, and
Mm-hmm.
he has a community that he's ready to offer to. I'm not sure if he offered it na. Ang price
Mm,
point is 15,000 pesos per
mm,
year.
okay.
Membership,
Mm,
15,000 pesos per year. Sabi ko, it might be, I offered this. I open this up as an idea na baka naman mas simple kung 1,500 per month.
Mm.
Why? Because what is the feeling? I'm telling him what I'm learning. If somebody pays me 15,000 pesos in January and expecting 12 months of value creation tayo ha for 12 months. Parang for me, just personally, no, I feel like 12 months. 12 months of
Yeah.
content that I need to come up with. Whereas if it's monthly, 1,500, he came in January. Okay, I've got 1,500 worth of content in January. I'll deliver the best that I can. In February, if you
Mm.
still want me, I'll be here. I'll be creating value for you in February. And if you want me, join me in February. Another 1,500. And para sa akin, just I don't know if you can relate to this, parang mas magaan sa akin yung every month I'll be delivering content. Kumbaga, parang I'm focusing on the now and
Yeah.
being responsive to you. Kesa yung, uy, 1 year. I gotta
Mm-mm.
do some for 1 year. So
Mm.
So I'm wondering what that might be like. Of course, I love it also. I came from that mindset na, just get it done at the start so that that's taken care of. Um,
Mm.
the thing is, ayon, this new thing that I'm getting into, it works in the increments. It I think it works both ways eh kasi the person will have the choice to opt in to opt
Opt
out
in, opt out.
when
Yeah.
I don't know yet how to distinguish. Maybe it might be different in the high ticket sales game compared to the
Mm.
community. This thing that I'm referring to is medyo may
For
pagka-community
community.
na
Yeah.
wide. So,
Mm-mm, mm-mm. Yeah. Yung ano nga the mentor I have, um, so her name is Audrey Lowe, and she's on Twitter lang, or X. Her community, technically it's a community, the one that I joined.
yeah.
It's 60,000 pesos, so $1,200 more or less,
Yeah.
per month for 3 months.
Wow.
Ganun din, opt in, opt out. Like after the first month, if you feel like, it's not serving you, then you can opt out. I won't charge you for the second and the third month, or I won't charge you anymore.
Mm.
When I came into the community, check ko nga yung members na to. So there are, let's see, there are, how many people here? Um, 33 members. Yeah,
Interesting.
there are 33 members in the community. So she has 33 clients paying her about 1,000 or sabihin natin 60,000 pesos each per month
Ano?
times 33. That's 1.9 million pesos per month.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's only her community. Meron pa siyang private one-on-one coaching which is even more expensive. It's at parang nasa 300,000 per month naman yun, yung private one-on-one.
Where does the
So,
where does the
mm,
33 member community, where does it reside?
Slack.
Slack. So it's a Slack
Slack is
group.
it's a Slack group. Yeah. So,
It's-
tapos you have different channels in Slack or folders: accountability, announcements, content, engagement, general, lead generation, offer building, wins. Those are different channels.
Amazing.
So, yun. Ganun yung business
So,
model niya.
is Slack exclusively mobile? Or
Pwede, meron din sa laptop. Yeah, meron din naman sa laptop. Mm.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Pero
Interesting.
I don't know the interface of school. So it depends on what you need. The way she coaches kasi, she has parang ganito, once a week na mastermind meetings to
Yeah.
see what her students need. Tapos whoever needs to go lang will attend. So not all 33 members attend
Yeah.
the weekly. Kasi what she does is with each of her parang she has a process. Wherever you are in the process, magtatanong siya, how are you on this process? Tapos, okay, send me your content or send me your script and then I'll analyze it. I'll give you feedback. Parang more of like that yung how she manages the community.
And that, okay. And that's in the group. That's not the one-on-one pa. So,
Hindi pa yun one-on-one.
interesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, 33 people paying that much. That's a good business that she's running. The beautiful thing is if kasi ngayon ko pinapahalagahan yung churn.
Yeah,
I
that's right.
see the value of churn. There's another group that I joined yesterday. Sabi niya, the group rules says that if you don't meet a certain standard, you're out.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that keeps the quality of the group at a high level. Parang,
Tama.
gee, ako, I'm the harmony guy, di ba? That's the personality. That
Yeah, oo nga. I don't
most
know
of
if I can
us,
also
I'm
implement that.
guessing.
I don't know if I can implement that also. I don't think so.
Very good. Ang taas na, so I'm in it. It's called naman the what's it called? Objection box community. So this is for high ticket sales. Yun yung pinasukan kong
Okay.
inside school so that
Inside school. Yeah.
I get to experience what it's like to be a member of a community. They're probably at 13. They have two communities. This one I got into is the free community, and they describe it as that's only 5% of the bigger community, which is paid.
Yeah.
And it has a 10-day challenge. If you don't do the challenge, you're out.
Ooh. So that's their
There's a
filtering
standard.
system.
There's a standard.
Yeah, that's right.
If you post content, so they invite you to post golden nugget content.
Okay.
If you post something that's flimsy, okay, you're out actually. It's the
Okay.
community to be watchdogs. Sabi nila, if you see somebody selling, report it to us, we'll take them out.
Oh, wow.
Yun, yung solicitation, offering
Yeah.
your services within the community, you're out.
Yeah.
So I'm learning. I don't know if that's going to be that kind of brand that I will and yeah, so ngayon ko naintindihan yung churn. We don't bullshit clients in our circle.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty rin of yung monthly. If the person isn't getting the value that he wants, next month, get out.
Opt out na. Yeah.
And that's a challenge also for me to keep giving value. As long as I am giving value, good value to my clients, they will stay. And kung nagde-decline yung value na binibigay ko, that's feedback for me when people, well, yan. There will be people who I'd gladly want to leave because
yeah, that's right.
That was the principle in the objection box community. If
Community.
giving poor inputs, you're not adding value to the community, we don't want you here.
Yeah. Okay. How many people do you have na in your school community?
Probably by this time, 2, me and Ria.
Okay.
Last night, like midnight last night. And
last night lang. Okay.
so this is going to be LCX. It was something that I needed to percolate for 2 weeks. For instance, I'm not yet clear. I plan to upload this video to
Sure. Yeah. Ako, you can upload my, I'm comfortable, so it's fine.
Pareho tayo. I tell people na anything that anyway, sige.
Yeah.
So this thing about Pinoy pride. Sometimes it's looked up, sometimes it's looked down on. Don't know if catering exclusively to Filipinos is good for Filipinos. I'm not sure, actually. Kasi it takes us away from the global game.
I agree.
Parang in-exclusive natin, I'm going to serve Filipinos only, which shrinks our world to Filipinos only. That's one
Yeah.
side. On the other side, of course, I want to cater to Filipinos para mayangat natin yung mga Pilipino.
Yeah.
So even while I'm discussing this, ano, it's coming together na one way to serve Filipinos is to show Filipinos that we have global communities. We can lead global communities.
Yeah. That's right. I think that's the key. Like seeing someone that can lead global communities. I mean, that's where the world is headed. With all of these platforms, school and all. Global communities naman talaga. Mm.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess I answered this question. My question the past 2 week, the question that I had in the past 2 weeks, I probably answered it in the past 2 minutes.
Nice.
Question was, did I want this to be exclusively Filipinos? It will probably start with Filipinos and then yeah. So that gives direction, that gives direction. Example, yung isa kong thought is si Brother Bo Sanchez.
Yeah.
He caters primarily to Filipinos and not limited to. So there are feasts in Indonesia na ano,
Mm,
led by Indonesians. As in
nice.
as in the leaders are Indonesian. So
Yeah.
that did not happen overnight. So yeah, be open to more to community members na non-Filipinos. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for the community game also. I don't think I'm there yet personally. I
Yeah.
still want to build the one-on-ones first and then maybe shift to communities a bit down the road. Yeah.
You're doing your newsletter, right? Email newsletter.
I paused it for a while just to focus on lead generation and on client work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll share also where I am in a certain part of my journey. I advertised in Facebook ads. We
Yeah.
generate like 170 opt-ins.
Mm.
I have my numbers. We generated like 170 opt-ins, 130 appointments, bookings,
Mm.
and then 36 show ups. So that was around one third showed up.
Yeah.
Um, and then there are a group of around 8 very good prospects who I need to call today. I mean,
Oh.
to convert into sales. So
Yeah.
ang daming magagandang leads. I got people from
Mm.
Pepsi Cola. I got people from real estate companies, from
Mm.
what's this? BPO, from
Mm.
engineering. Very good prospects na wala akong nurturing facility. I don't have a
I
I don't
see.
have a newsletter. I stopped my newsletters some time ago.
Mm, mm, mm.
And they're actually aligned with LCX because it
Ah.
inquired around mental wellness coaching skills.
I see.
So now with the community, I have an opportunity to nurture them and
Mm-mm.
provide them with value. It's not going to be the 26,000 peso program that I offered them with
Mm.
AIM. It's going to be so I'll tell you about two dynamics in pricing that I'll share with you in a while. So
Sure.
instead of they couldn't make it to the 26,000 peso program. So how about come over? I have a 2,000 peso a month community.
Community. Yeah.
If you get good value from it, try it for 1 month.
Mm.
If you're here the second month, I'm happy for you. If not, we're not a match.
Yeah.
So it's like a downsell. Um,
Mm-mm.
So parang two models four models actually from Alex Hermosi. One is it's a free community and that's it. Maybe you do upsells there within the community. Second is free plus paid. So you have one group here that's free, you nurture people here, and then anytime that they're ready to go to the paid group, that's great. That's like the 5% group that I joined.
Yeah.
They're nurturing a group na free and telling them that that's only katiting of what they offer in. The other one is paid right from the start. In
Yeah.
fact, there's one group that did very well. They won in the March. Their high ticket, let's say, I don't remember the number. Let's put it at like $500 high ticket entry.
Yep. Per month.
Per month. And then they go through a 90-day program. Ano nga ba sila? Parang setting up. It was a group for health practitioners, therapists, mga ganyan, psychologists, therapists, healing, etc., who are non-techie. Yung host of the community, sila yung techie. So they would mentor you for 3 months. And then you can downgrade to the regular membership. That's the other way naman. Na parang you end high and then you want to nurture them after. So they're in $400 for 3 months. And then go to they can't sustain $400 for forever.
Yeah.
And you don't want them to leave you naman. Ako, ang dami kong so I have graduates of programs who paid 200,000 pesos. Do I have a community? I tried to create a community to sustain them, to keep them within contact. Hindi ko na-sustain yun. And yun, school might be potentially a way to keep them engaged.
Yeah.
That's the
interesting.
So
the third.
High ticket and then bring them to a regular
yeah.
Which they're even when they're on a regular community, or maybe let's say I don't know what term to use. They're still among other high ticket members.
Graduates. Yeah.
So kumbaga ongoing are together with graduates. And then the graduates become part of the continuing engagement of the current students. I guess that's what it is.
I see.
Current
I like that.
And alumni. The students paying 400 per month. The alumni are there at, I don't know, $40 per month.
Yeah.
Just to
that
keep
makes sense.
And that's what it looks like for the LCX community.
I think it matches. Yeah.
Hindi ko lang alam if students and graduates in the second group and then potential students in the first group na free. I'm not sure.
Possibly. Yeah. I think that's good. Was there a fourth model that Alex Formosi was discussing, or that was
something.
I resonate a lot with the third. Looking at it from my own practice also. Kasi I'm starting them with high ticket. Na 70,000 a month for 3 months. And then after they graduate, they can the word that comes to mind for me is retainer. They can have me on retainer for 30,000 a month or 20,000 a month, something like that. Na on call na if you need help with anything, you can message. You still have text access to me. You still have all of these access to me. And if you want to have a one-on-one, you need to, get unstuck. Then message me, let's schedule it.
Yeah.
So
yeah, interesting. Yeah, very exciting. Many ways to do it. And then ito, for example, this group na Objection Box, they've been operating for I think 3 years na inside school, and they've mastered. So I actually copied their about page.
yeah. I mean, we're inspired naman by them. So by people.
Inspired by them. I love it.
Yeah.
Working for other communities, get the template and then make your own. So that's what I started.
Yeah. I agree.
Galing. So, yung isa kong pitch kay Don Soriano, Filipinos are excelling in social platforms. We're spending the most hours, probably a far first, we're probably 4 times or 5 times more hours on social media than the second country that's I'm thinking we might as well use that, divert our hours into this kind of community building and excel in this.
Mm,
So
yeah.
yeah, that's what's exciting.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga ng platform ng school. I haven't explored it. I haven't seen its features, capabilities, and all of those things.
What they say,
I'm curious, what would yeah,
what they
what
say,
would be the difference between that and, let's say,
yeah.
mm,
Um,
mm,
what I'm observing is I'm comparing it to Teachable. Once upon a time, I used Teachable. I was a subscriber. I was selling some of my courses there. I think what school did different is leveraging the community as part of the huge value. What does that mean? Instead of the host
mm,
being the central, or I'm giving value because I'm a teacher, I'm the expert here, they've created mechanisms
yeah.
so that the community is incentivized to give value into the community. So there are, for
Okay.
example, when I am commenting, and it's not just flimsy commenting, no, when it's good value comments, when I answer other community members' questions, I get points. I haven't seen how it works now, but the principle is there that I get points and I'm able to unlock bonuses when I'm engaging in.
Ooh.
So I guess in the old forum, meron doon mga ano master community, whatever, iba't ibang levels ng engagement na, oh,
Mm,
this guy has put in 100 comments, 500 comments, therefore he has a badge. It's something similar to that, and
I
then
see.
you can use that to unlock different bonuses, and that builds value into the community. There was
Yeah.
a guy who was saying he was spending so much employing people to deliver the programs that he sold. So he'd employ a
Mm,
team of 20 people. That was before school. When he
mm.
transferred to school, the community was delivering the 24/7 support. No longer
Wow. Oh,
employees. No longer
yeah, yeah, yeah.
employees.
That makes sense. That
So
makes sense.
yeah, yeah. So it's no
Interesting. Okay.
longer, it's no longer,
I'll keep my eyes open for that.
yeah, yeah. So check it out. Ako, I'm getting involved. You can start with LCX, so that you get a feel of
Mm.
what it's like in the start. So I have a community that I'm starting, learning by doing, LCX ngayon. And then there is a community that I'm part of. It's really a skill that I want to learn, high ticket sales. Yung objection box is a high
Yeah.
ticket mentoring.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I'm thinking of starting another group, School Gamers PH. This is where we can eh, so what does that mean? People like Don Soriano, if you choose Zach Marañon, Edwin Soriano, we're here talking about how we are doing in building our school communities.
I like that. No, nice.
This, yeah, similar to,
Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Maganda, maganda yung, I like the idea of it.
hmm, yan. So,
Mm.
I was on the verge of creating that community last night. And it costs $99 per month to do to create.
Which one? Which one?
Already have $99 for LCX per month sa LCX, and then I'll need to put out another $99 if I wanted to do a school gamers PH. People who are
So the
it, The
So you pay
you pay to create a community inside. You
to
can,
create a community. That makes sense.
it's free to join free communities. It's a paid service if I want to create a community. I'll be paying school.
Wow.
Like renting a
Some
class.
ovens is smart.
It's like renting a
Yeah.
classroom at university. Okay.
Yeah, oo nga.
Bahala na ako if I want to charge an enrollment fee for people to enter. So I'm starting with free. I'm thinking of first 100 free. Do you remember 24
Yeah.
do you remember Anytime Fitness? The way they sold
Anytime Fitness. Yes.
Time Fitness, the way they sold subscriptions, malinaw na, meron na silang table. First 100 members, founding members, come in at this price. Second set of members come in at a bigger price. Third set of members come in at a bigger price. So the earlier you come in, mas ayun. And school has the ability to do that. Tiered pricing. So ano yung pricing ko in my first 3 months? Pwedeng free. The moment either the first 3 months or the first 100, I can choose. The next tier is going to be $20. The next tier is going to be $39, something like that. So that's what I'm imagining for now.
Yeah. I think that works out. Yeah. Ang ganda yun yung tiered pricing.
Similar daw to when you go to a club, it's baduy to come into a club na wala pang tao.
Yeah.
And the way that magkakaroon ng tao is when you bring in people. For example, I think that's why happy hour is happy hour. So that magkaroon muna ng tao. After happy hour, it becomes regular price. And nandiyan na yung mga tao. Yeah, something like that.
I see. Okay. I didn't know that.
Ang hirap to create a bustling community if there are only 3 of you. Parang ganun. So you gotta get 10 people in so that the 11th to 100th are quality people na rin. Something like that. So start small. So I'm starting inviting LCX1 and LCX2, and then I'll start inviting more people to LCX.
Yeah. Mukhang LCX3 there'll be more people kasi with the ads that you have, mukhang those are the prospects for LCX3.
Yes. Yes. Actually, LCX is a level 2. Level 2 na ang LCX eh. The level 1 is the 5 half days. That's the 26,000.
I see.
Green basket. Yon. Yan. How can I serve you this morning, Zach? Let's transition lang.
I think
I'll transition lang the recording.
Sure.